Yeah, what we're doing here today is the Go BMX Day, which in it we have different set of contests, and it all works well. All thanks to my guys behind this whole event, Severe Nature. I really appreciate you. Thank you for the support. The BMX scene in Nigeria is actually growing, because I'll tell you, it's something that is gathering momentum gradually for now, and as we keep this event going on, it's getting the audience it needed and the recognition it needed, and yes, in the further times coming up now, this event will definitely, not this event, the sport itself as a whole will be recognized by the government body, which is the sport ministry, and that way from there, guess what, we're going into the Olympics. My go-to trick is the highest jump and a bar spin, unexpected one. Well, I get into BMX like 6 years ago. That's just due to my passion for riding bikes. And yeah, there was a day I actually came around the National Stadium and I saw some guys surfing their bikes. And when I would go in for getting a bike, I got the BMX, though I didn't know it was a BMX I got then, until when I now start surfing the internet and I see that, okay, my bike is actually different from what they're using, so I started watching videos of how to ride a BMX, and that's where all the tricks start coming in from. And from there, I started influencing others with the love of BMX. The next stage for me now is to ensure that I get to use the right facilities, which is the skate park, so I can improve most of my skills, then push further for the Olympics. For bigger competitions, yes. The advice I have for young bikers in my city and in Nigeria as a whole is to always ensure whenever they're out there riding, they have their safety gears on, and to keep the love and the passion on without giving up, regardless of the injuries that might come behind, and just ensure that they do what makes them happy. Yeah, if I wasn't doing BMX, actually, I'll be deep down in the workshop, you know, losing and tying engines and tuning them up, you know. Yeah. On the side, I'm a mechanic actually, so I fix cars, and if I wasn't riding bikes, definitely you'll find me in the garage.